Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This house was recently sold, but guess what? The buyer changed their mind, and so this presents a great opportunity for you, the new potential buyer. Here is a chance to own your property. This home offers a quiet and quality lifestyle. If home ownership is a dream for you, don't miss out on this opportunity. This 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom home could be updated to better highlight its best features. The spacious and airy rooms are bright and is approximately 2,000 square feet. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, 1 kitchen, living room, dining room, garage, and we can't leave out the low taxes part. It has great value and so much more. This land area is approximately 6,878 square feet, and some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, cable, central location, easy access, family oriented, road paved, and pets are allowed in this area. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $12 million or US $78,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.